One of the first things a guide is going to want to do is add their students. And they'll do this by clicking on the Sign Up button. Here they'll add the student's first name, their last name, their gender, pick the school that they're a part of, click Next, add their username and password, and then they'll repeat that process for each of the students. And then they're going to use their email address to log in, and then we're going to go through each of these different functions here. We're going to start down at the school menu, and so when you go to school profile, you're going to get the name of your school, and you can change the name here, customize it to your school, whatever you'd like. You can add the location, address, city, state, and time zone. Then if you go to students, you'll see the new student I added, Olivia. You get a list of your students here with some basic information about them. You'll also see their coins that they have, their pending coins. And then for each of the students, you can click this to edit them, edit their name, first name, username. If you need to move them to a different club, you can do that here, or to a different school, you can do that here. You can add their parents' information, and their parent email will be important to add so they can get the weekly emails updating them on the student's progress. And then you have some grades here that you can add, and these are important for Conquer mode. This is, for the math course, this is going to show up when they put in their Conquer goals for Khan Academy, and then the English course here for No Red Ink. And then enrolled grade, we use this in a couple other places. So you have the option to edit a student here, you have the option to delete them, and then this third icon is for resetting their password. If they've forgotten their password, you can click that, and it'll give them an option to set their new password. So this third option here is the calendar, and we have actually a separate video for the calendar. If you want information about that, you can find that video. Then we have bonus activities. So bonus activities, this list here maps to the students view. We're going to jump in there. So bonus here, when they add their bonus activities, this is their activities that are done outside of class. You get a list here, and there's a few options that have been added for all schools, but if you want to add your own options, so you see here we have exercising, reading, coding. If you want to add your own options, log into your guide portal here, go to bonus activities, and we can add any other activities, like let's say add service. What service did you do? And the divisor is typically for activities outside of class, we give them half the number of coins for the minutes they've logged in. So if they've logged 100 minutes, we'll give them 50 coins. And so you can decide how you want to structure that. But typically it's going to be 2. So we added coding, we added service here. So if we were to sign out and go back into the student's account, when we go to bonus, they now have the service option, and they can log these, another bonus activity here. So we're going to sign out of the student, go back into the guide portal here. So that's bonus activities, and you can also delete the activities as well. The next option on the menu is rewards, and so you can create a list of rewards here that will show up. We're going to jump back into the student view. So when they click on this shopping cart here, they get a list of rewards that they can spend their points on. And if you want to add to that list, then you can do it in the guide portal. Here. And then you can also delete items off this list. And that's everything for this video. The one other video we're going to add for the guide portal is the activity list. And so you'll want to find that video and learn more about how the activity list works.